and you sound, but you're not really here. You're not really. You're not really.
Hey my lovies, I'm coming to you today with another review from our friends over at MC and Thomason. If you are an influencer, do check below for the Thomason website where you can go and you can check out a wide variety of things from food to skincare to makeup to household, hair, all types of stuff that you can look at as an influencer and review, and a platform and review. So if you're not familiar with Thomason, do check them out. And like I said, I will leave all information down below in the description bar for you lovies. So what I have here is the MC wireless doorbell, and the packaging looks like this. The reason why I chose to review this, we do have a home security on where we live, but I wanted this doorbell because sometimes if we're in a different part of the house, we do not hear anyone knock at the door, especially if they don't knock hard enough. So that's why I wanted to review this and bring this to you all's attention and on my channel. So the company who created this is MC, and they are an Amazon based company. This item retails for $14.99. If y'all see me looking down, y'all know I have my notes in front of me so I don't miss anything. So it retails for $14.99 on Amazon.com, and it does have a $2 off coupon code. Now, this coupon code, I'm not sure whether or not it may be just for Prime members, but when you click the link in the description bar, do make sure, if possible, or if you're a Prime member, if you're not, either way, it may or may not let you clip it if you're not a Prime member. I'm not sure, but it does have a $2 off coupon code that will be listed underneath the $14.99 regular price. So you have to clip this in order for you to save at checkout. So do make sure that you clip it before you check out. So yeah, the inside of the box looks like this, and of course you have your little instruction manual here about the doorbell and how it works. It has a lot of information in here, but it is very, very easy for you to set up. So this is what the doorbell looks like. And this part here is what you will stick, and it actually comes with this paper that you pull out. It just now fell out, but this is what you will stick on the outside of your door, whether it's your home door, your office door, your even if it's maybe your business, whatever. You can use this for anything, you know, even if you want it on your room. But yes, this you will use it to stick. Me personally, I'm sticking it outside of our home door. So the next thing is the actual box that you will use to stick in. You can stick this near the front door if you want to, and which me personally, I'm not going to do that because I want it as far back in the house as possible. So 9 times out of 10, I'm going to stick this in the kitchen probably, because that's right in the middle of our home. So you have the volume button here, and your volume button basically, it has 4 adjustable levels. So you're able to adjust this, you know, how high, low you may want it to be. Here and here, these two buttons here, where you see the plus and the minus and the music notes, these are the chimes. This thing has 32 chimes. So you will be able to choose one out of those 32 chimes. If you get tired of a chime, you're able to change it. So I really like that about this, because that's how I am. I'm also a person who changes up my ringtones on my phone and all that. So yeah, but this also here, well, let me finish showing y'all with the contents of the box. So inside of the box, once you pull those out, you have that, but that comes out, and you have some nails and screws, well, some screws, and these green things actually hold the screws in place. Say for instance, if you want to put it up on a wall so it won't strip. And then you have this adhesive that you can also use, or that you will use to put up your box. You're going to put it inside of the adhesive. If you see those holes right there, you're going to put these in here first and then stick it. So that's how, come on. So that's how you're going to put up this. That's how you're going to hold that. So this also is waterproof. So if you have it outside, if it rains, storms, thunders, hails, snows, it's not going to get messed up. It also flashes. And the main reason why it flashes, it has a LED light on it. And the main reason why it flashes is because it also can be used for people who are hard of hearing, like either are hard of hearing or deaf. So definitely that is a A+ for this as well. So anyone can really, you know, use this. Another thing, well, some other things about this, it does have a 4.8 stars out of 5 on Amazon.com. The battery does come in it, and it is a 12 volts or 12 volts battery. So you don't have to worry about putting a battery in it, because a battery is a long-term 12 volt battery that's included in here. And like I said, you have your adhesive and your screws that are also included. And one more thing that's also included with your wireless doorbell is that you do get a 1-year warranty on what I've shown you here. So yeah, that is everything. I think I pretty much covered everything as far as this item is concerned. I will have all information down below in the description bar so y'all can check this out. I think it's very neat. Okay, y'all, so I plugged it in so y'all can see. So more you press it, 1, 2, 3. So basically the 4th, and then you can change it. And as you can see, this also blinks too. So yes, it has many different settings, so you can choose whatever chime you want. So yeah, thank you so much, MC and Thomason, for choosing me to review this. I'm about to go and put this up right now, and I appreciate you lovies tuning in. Do go and check them out, and I will see you babes in the next video. Bye y'all.